Hi, I'm Michelle Stetton-Mims. I work at the Mendocino Coast Botanical Gardens, and we have a new display we want to discuss. So this collection is our carnivorous plant collection. We got it from Brad Williams, who owns and operates the Fort Bragg Carnivores. He supplied us with this whole display. We've got Sarracenias, which are pitcher plants. We've got Sundews. We've got bladderworts. We've got Venus flytraps. Some really interesting things to look at this year. We're very excited about it. So these particular plants are Sarracenias, pitcher plants, and we also have Venus flytraps. The Venus flytrap, the coolest thing I've learned about it is that it catches its prey by touch. And if you try to touch it and close it, it will kill it because it needs all this great energy to do this thing. And if you don't give it any food, it'll starve to death. So never ever touch them unless you're feeding them a fly.